Today, we're drawing a pineapple cat. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the first eye. Draw a rounded circle first. Then add a small shiny highlight near the top inside the eye. Now fill in the eye with black. Carefully go around the little highlight and leave that spot white so the eye looks bright and cute. Now draw the other eye the same way. Start with another rounded circle. Then add a small highlight near the top inside the eye. Fill in the other eye with black, just like the first one. Keep the highlight white, and now both eyes look shiny, happy, and full of life. Right between the eyes, draw a tiny rounded triangle for the nose and fill it in black. Now from just under the nose, draw a short, curved line on one side. Then, add another matching curve on the other side. Next, curve it down and around into a soft, rounded U shape. Finish by adding a curved line inside the mouth for the tongue. Now let's add the first cheek. Draw a small sideways oval under the eye. Draw the other cheek the same way. Add another small sideways oval, then finish it with two short lines inside. Now let's start shaping the head. Draw the left side first, with one long, smooth curve. Next, draw the right side the same way. Add another long, smooth curve to balance the head, and frame the cute little face in the middle. Now let's draw the first ear. Continue from the top of the head, and curve the line up to form a tall ear. Round over the tip. Then bring the line back down to connect it neatly to the side of the head. Inside that ear, add a smaller inner ear line. Then draw a tiny zigzag fur detail near the lower part to make the ear look soft and cute. Next, draw the other ear the same way. Start from the top of the head again. Curve the line up, round over the tip, and bring it back down to complete the outer shape. Finish by adding the inner ear line and the small zigzag fur detail inside. Now both ears are in place, and the kitten looks even more adorable. Now let's build the pineapple leaf crown on top of the head. Start with a small curved line across the top, then add another little curve beside it to make the base of the leaves. From that base, draw the first low leaf. Curve the line up to a soft point, then bring it back down. Add another low leaf next to it, keeping both shapes smooth and simple. Next, add a taller leaf in the middle. Start from the center, curve up higher, make a rounded point at the top, and come back down to the leaf base. Now add two side leaves. Let one leaf stretch outward with a long curved edge, then draw the other side the same way. These leaves make the crown look wider and more like a pineapple. Finish the leaf crown with the back layer. Add two bigger leaves, spreading out behind the others. Then, draw the tallest middle leaf to complete the pineapple top. Add two short connecting lines between the ears and the pineapple leaves to complete the top of the head. Now continue from the side of the head and draw one long body curve going down. Let it round outward. Then gently curve back in near the bottom. Draw the other side of the body the same way. Keep the shape big, soft, and rounded, like a cute little pineapple. Add a short curved line at the bottom center. Leave two small gaps for the feet, and the body shape is ready. Now add the little feet under the body. Draw one small rounded foot first, then draw the other foot the same way. Finish with a few tiny toe lines on each foot. Now the pineapple kitty has two cute little feet to stand on. Now let's add the first paw. Draw a small rounded shape on the front of the body, then close the bottom with a soft curve. Add a few tiny lines for the little toes. Draw the other paw the same way. Keep it round, cute, and close to the body, then finish with a few tiny toe lines. Now the little kitty looks even more adorable. Now let's start the pineapple pattern on top of the head. Draw a few diagonal lines across the forehead, keeping them light, simple, and nicely spaced. Next, add a few more diagonal lines going the other way. Let them cross over the first set to begin forming the pineapple pattern. Keep the lines clean and even, and now the top of the head already has that sweet little pineapple look. Now, let's continue the pineapple pattern on the body. Draw a few long diagonal lines across the body, keeping them smooth and evenly spaced. Next, add another set of diagonal lines going the other way. Let them cross over the first lines to create the diamond pattern. Keep the lines clean and simple as you finish the pattern. And now the body has a cute pineapple look too. Don't forget the kitty whiskers. Just add 2 short lines on each side and the face looks even cuter. Now let's draw the tail. From the side of the body, curve the line out, round the tip, and bring it back in to make a cute little tail. Add a few short curved lines across the tail for the stripes. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!